Aston Martin Zagato Centennials. Aston Martin's longtime coach-building collaborator Zagato has pulled the wraps off a pair of special edition Astons to celebrate the Newport Pagnell brand's 100th birthday. Christened the DBS Coupe Zagato Centennial and DB9 Spider Zagato Centennial, the specially commissioned cars combine typically striking Zagato styling cues with Aston mechanicals. The coupe car's most eye-catching feature is the typically Zagato double-bubble roofer profile, accentuated by a polished metal strip that swoops from the car's beltline across the rear window. The voluptuous curves are continued into the window pane and bespoke boot lid. Also new, and sure to be controversial, is the gaping front grille with integrated headlights, a somewhat Ferrari California aping front splitter, and unique rear styling treatment with new light clusters, a more aggressive rear diffuser, and trapezoidal tailpipes. The DBS Zagato rides on regular Aston DBS 20 in alloys, enclosing a set of carbon ceramic brakes. The cabin is also carried over from the DBS, which went out of production in 2011 to be replaced by the 565 bhp Vanquish. It's expected the Zagato Centennial retains standard DBS running gear, which means there's a 510 bhp, 5.9-litre V12 up front driving the rear wheels. The open-top version wears the same styling treatment, but loses the curvaceous roof for a folding soft top arrangement. The Spider also retains Aston's familiar side strake and vent, unlike the DBS Centennial. Riding on the same design of 20-in alloy wheel as car's Aston DB9 long-termer, the Spider also uses a regular DB9 Volante cabin, and a 510 bhp V12 powertrain with a 6-speed paddle-shift transmission. The DBS Zagato is destined for an anonymous Japanese enthusiast, while the DB9 Spider will travel stateside to enter the garage of US car collector Peter Reed. Unlike the DB7 Zagato from 2002, of which 100 were produced and 99 made available for purchase, no limited production run of Zagato Centennial editions is planned.